graders? Hope you guys are doing well. I am so sorry I'm not there today. You already know that I am at some training to become a better teacher for you all. So please make sure you're on your best behavior. Mrs. Anderson knows to write down any names of students who are being disruptive, inappropriate, not on task, and then you won't unfortunately be able to go to Silverwood, and I know you all want to, so make sure you're doing what you need to do today. Let's go over the opener. Thank you, London and Emerson, for stamping stamping the journals today. Let's go to number 1. 3c plus 4 is less than or equal to -8, or 3c minus 2 is greater than 7. Now, if you remember how to do these are just inequalities or inequalities. And so in reality, we solve them exactly the same as linear equations, except for if you divide or multiply by a negative number, you have to flip that sign. So let's do the first one. 3c plus 4 is less than or equal to -8. We're going to subtract 4 on both sides. And so now we're looking at 3c is less than or equal to -12. And then you're going to divide by 3. And so our answer right off the bat, we can figure it out, is C. C is less than or equal to -4. We don't even have to solve the other side because we could figure it out that it has to be C is greater than 3. Number 2, which graph represents the solution set to the inequality above? If you remember how to do these, absolute value is less than or equal to -4 or +4. We're going to pull out both equations and do x is less than or equal to 4. Keep the same exact. But then the other side, we're going to do x is greater than or equal to. We have to flip that sign and then change the sign. So x is greater than or equal to -4. And so because they're both greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, we're going to have full circles. And because they're facing each other, we know that it has to be A. All right, that's how you do it. All right, you're watching this video right now. Oh, wait a second. I feel like you guys are a little tired or you're too energized. So let's either wake ourselves up or waste some of that energy to a little dance party. You guys dancing? I know Zeke is. Zeke going at it? Yeah, I'm sure Travis is. Okay, let's do some moves. This is Anderson. What do you got? Anyone else? If I was standing up, I would be a lot better at this, but I'm not. Okay, I'm hoping that wasted some of you guys' energy. Anyways, today's activity, what you guys are going to do, you're going to practice what we started yesterday, so some inequality stuff. Not inequality, sorry. Exponential functions. And so you're going to go to Schoology. When you go to Schoology, sorry, let me go all the way back. I'm using period 1 as an example. Okay, you have your home page here, and again, you all know just to click on this Bitmoji here, this link here for today's activity. I don't have it linked here, so I'm going to go the long way. And go here, and then you're going to have something like this. And so you're going to click on, if you scroll all the way down, you have your activity. You can click on it, and it's going to open it up. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go through and please fill out the table first, all right? I already gave you an example of problem number 1, the first for when x is -2. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab your point and you're going to drag it to where it needs to go. So when x is -2, y is 1/9, and so I placed it here, all right? And so if you're having a difficult time getting it centered, what you can do is hold down shift and use your arrows, and it goes a lot smaller compared as if you use your arrows like this, okay? And so what you're going to do is you're going to fill out the table and plot the points. And then you're going to choose which graph is matching it and drag it over, match it up on top of your points and see if it matches. Okay, if it doesn't, you did something wrong and you need to retry. You're also going to be in the y-intercept, the domain, and the range. All right, so you're going to go through all these problems. Now, I know that some of us are still struggling with this, so I put 2 videos of helpful videos of how you can do this just to teach yourself again. Or I also went ahead and gave you videos of every single problem. So if you don't know how to do a problem, if you get stuck, if you need an example of the first problem, go ahead and watch these videos. I did one for all of them, so you have no reason why you can't complete this. Once you're done with the activity, I want you to complete the activity we started yesterday. It's still in the turn-in bin, so find your name and complete that as well. If you complete that, do missing work or do one of these awesome fun activities here. All right, y'all, if you have any questions, please reach out, email me. Can't wait to see you on Thursday. Be good and have a